Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. In today's video, we're going to see how we can change a Siri voice. All you heard in this is the standard Siri voice like this. Hey Siri, what's going on?
Interesting question.
See, that's the standard voice. Let's see how we can change it. So by simple go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, you'll find there is a Siri tab. Just go into that tab, then you'll see this menu. So just on the fourth option, you'll find this voice. So it has American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and South African. Those are the different voice, and you can choose a male or female voice. Look at this.
The colors of the sky.
So you can just change the British. Look at this. So after this, you can, whenever you just, so let's put this. Let's put this, let's say British and this one. So let's try. Hey Siri, what's going on? See, it's interesting. If you like that video, thumbs up and see you in the next video.